Alright guys, the 350Z giveaway is happening right now at shopfindingnick.com. $50 stickers are on the website. Every sticker is one entry to the giveaway. You can buy as many stickers as you want, but we only have 300 on the website, and once these are gone, they're gone. And one lucky winner is gonna win the 350Z. This dude is crazy. Mom?
Yes?
You ready?
I don't know, Nick. Where are you at?
Why are you scared?
You know why? Because I don't like to drive fast.
I'm a good driver too.
Where are you at?
I'm a race car driver.
You're a good driver because I taught you how to drive.
I'm literally coming around the block right now.
Okay.
Okay, bye. What's up guys, you watching another video. As you guys know, today is Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to any mothers watching my vlog. I wonder if there's any moms watching my vlog right now. But today, I got a special video for you guys and a special video for my mom. I'm super excited. I know you guys love these freaking mom videos where my mom reacts to fast cars with me all the time. I've given her a ride in a Lambo before, in a Huracan. I give her a ride in my GTR. I give her a ride in a ZL1 cammed Camaro. And now, we're about to give her a ride in a Hellcat, bro. This is gonna be sick. This is my first time driving a Hellcat myself too, so I'm excited to drive it. It's super fun, and we're gonna surprise her with the Hellcat. You guys better not get mad at my clickbait, okay? I am surprising her with the Hellcat. She has no idea what car I'm about to pull up in. I just told her, Mom, today's Mother's Day, and I gotta film a video with you, because the people want to see you on the channel more. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna surprise her with the Hellcat. We also got some flowers. Make sure you guys go buy your mom some flowers today, okay guys? So yeah, we got my mom some flowers. We got my mom a Hellcat. Anyways, before we even get into the video, shout out to the homie Juan for letting me borrow the Hellcat today. We swapped cars, so he has the GTR right now. I think he's making a vlog too, so if he posts a vlog right now, I'll put the link right here. If not, I'll put the link right here of his YouTube channel. But yeah, he let me whip the Hellcat all day today. I don't know why he trusts me driving this car. I don't know why any of my friends trust me driving their cars, but this is gonna be sick. I'm excited, and I'm pretty sure my mom's gonna be terrified, bro. She does not like fast cars. She's coming out right now. She hates fast cars, guys. Like, she hates fast cars. You guys remember the old videos? I'll play some of the clips right here.
Oh, Jesus, oh God. Nick, Nick, Nick. Nick, seriously. Nick, seriously. Oh my God.
I don't even think my mom knows what car this is. Alright guys, but look, this is the Hellcat. Freaking sick. It's a Dodge Charger wide body Hellcat. 717 horsepower, I think of that. Hi mom.
The name alone, babe.
What? What's wrong with it? Do you know what it is?
A Hellcat, you said?
Damn, she knows. Yeah, it's a Hellcat. You see the little logo?
Yes.
Little Hellcat logo.
Oh my God.
It's not that fast. It makes like 717 horsepower.
I know that's a lot.
It's not that fast. I also got you this for Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Before I scare you.
You're just trying to butter me up, so I'll go. I know. Thank
But
you,
we got her
baby.
flowers, her favorite color. You like them?
I love them. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome, mom. And now we're gonna go crash in the Hellcat.
Shut up.
I'm just
Don't
kidding.
say that.
I'm just kidding. My mom hates these videos, guys. So smash the like button right now because she absolutely hates these videos, and she does it honestly for you guys. My mom watches all the vlogs, and she's always telling me like, do this for your fans, do this for your fans. My mom loves you guys, I promise. And she literally does these videos for you guys' entertainment. So smash the like button. Tell my mom thank you in the comments. And again, happy Mother's Day to any moms out there. Let's do this. It's gonna be fun. But yeah, shout out to the homie Juan. This thing is sick. It's super freaking fast. It's completely stock. It just has an exhaust.
I feel like, I don't know, my heart's already racing.
Why are you scared, mom?
You know how I feel.
Mom, it's slow. It's not fast. I promise.
Okay, we'll see, but oh my gosh, why do I let you talk me into this shit?
It makes 700 horsepower. It's probably like my GTR.
Okay.
But this is like a boat. It's so heavy. So it honestly feels slower than my GTR.
Okay.
So you're chilling. Guys, my mom is so scared. Why are you scared?
Nick.
Mom, I taking you in the, what's it called? The ZL1, remember?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, my friend's ZL1. That thing was faster than this.
I know, but
Like 700?
I just know this is gonna be so scary.
It's not scary. I promise, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. This is my first time ever driving a Hellcat. And it's not that scary, I promise. It's supercharged too. The supercharger sounds cool. You wanna hold it? You'll see. You'll be like, oh, okay. Why was I so scared?
Just give me.
You should be.
Just give me a minute.
You should be getting used to it now. All these fast
I
cars.
would never get used to it. Babe.
Oh!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Watch, here's a supercharger.
Okay, wait. Oh my god!
It sounds cool. Watch, look. You hear that?
Yeah.
Sounds sick.
It does sound sick. Yeah.
Sorry.
My ears like.
Doesn't the whine sound cool? It's a supercharger.
It
look.
does, but oh my god.
It doesn't sound like a Hellcat.
Okay, wait.
Mom!
I'm trying to like build myself up to it.
It's not scary, I promise. You drive faster than this.
I do not.
Yes,
I
you
never
do.
drive fast.
Should we put it in sport?
I don't know. What does it do in sport?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
I've never driven one.
Seriously?
The only thing that's scary about this car is that it spins a lot.
The
So like
wheels?
you can crash. Yeah.
Oh, don't tell me that. Ah! Nick, seriously. Don't tell me that and then go fast. Nick, seriously. Oh my god.
See, it's not that fast.
Nick.
I already went. It's all noise.
Oh my god.
I think that's the scariest of the most, guys, is the noise.
Probably. I mean, because it sounds freaking scary. Oh my god.
People hate me in the comments because they say I'm gonna give you a heart attack one day.
One day you might. Oh my god. Nick. Wait, dude, I just can't see. Oh my god.
Why?
Oh my god, Nick, seriously.
Mom, breathe. It's okay. You wanna drive it?
Maybe. I'm scared to crash.
Mom, I will not crash.
No,
I promise.
no.
You know what I want to do? I want to do donuts with you.
Oh god, don't you dare, Nick. Just don't. Don't.
Mom.
No, Nick.
I want to do donuts so bad.
Don't do it, please.
You wouldn't want to?
No, I don't want to.
Why?
I would really die.
Mom, you gotta enjoy it.
I want to, but I'm
Just
just like
open
so
your eyes.
tense.
Why?
Because I don't want to see what we're gonna hit.
Mom,
Oh my
look
god,
at the street,
Nick.
it's empty.
Nick. Oh my god.
You wanna let me do donuts?
No, please don't. Don't. You're not going to, right?
Baby.
No, Nick. Seriously, don't do
Mom,
that.
people want to see you do donuts.
No, babe. No.
I won't crash.
No, Nick. Don't you dare. It's like a big deal that I'm going with you as it is.
I know. I always have to force her to come with me. It's a nice car, though. Huh?
It's a really nice car. It reminds me of Mike's car.
Yeah, it's big.
Yeah.
It's a boat.
It feels safe. It
Compared to
does
mine.
feel safe. It does.
Yeah, the big ass seats. Look at this.
I'm just so scared like you're gonna lose control and we're gonna hit something.
Then it happens.
No. Like I'm
That's
not
what
ready
seatbelts
to
are for.
die. What
You're
the
not.
hell?
Mom, we have a seatbelt on. We have airbags.
This camera's gonna fly in my face. Fuck up my face.
Mom, enjoy this.
Oh my god. Okay, wait. Nick.
I stepped on it.
Oh my god.
Did I see that my GTR pulls harder than that?
It does.
My
It does.
GTR is
Your
way
GTR
faster.
definitely feels scarier. It does. Still scary because I know you're going fast. And there's a car like right in front of us. Oh my god. Oh god. Ah! Nick!
Do you see how my GTR is like?
Yes.
But
Your
this
GTR
kind of
is
like-
it is like a fucking rocket.
Yeah, this is just
It's
noise.
just, oh my god. But I know it's going fast. Oh my god. Nick, oh my god! Son, no way. See, you could lose control. That's what I'm afraid of.
It spins
No more.
easy.
Oh my god, stop.
Why are
Oh
you
my
scared?
god.
It's fun?
No.
Why?
It is not fun. It's fun for you, not for me. Oh my god,
The sound sounds cool.
Nick, please stop. Please don't. Oh my god. It does not sound good. It does not feel cool. This is not cool.
Mom, it's fun, dude.
Nick, oh my god. Nick. And now you're gonna race this car? What the fuck? You're making your own lane here. Oh my god. Don't. Nick.
I can do a burnout so
Nick,
easy.
please don't.
Just
Oh
like,
god.
Damn, he beat me.
Oh my god.
What the fuck?
What an asshole. Look at him.
What did I even do?
I wish I could flip this camera over and see what
Record
he's
it.
doing.
Record
What's
it.
he doing?
My nose are so tinted, you will see.
Where is he at? I can't even see him.
I was mad.
I don't know. Why is he mad? Why are you so mad, bro?
Look how mad he is, guys.
He's flipping you off.
He's pissed.
Oh my god, don't go so fast. And give me the fucking camera. You need two hands.
Why'd that guy
babe.
flip me off?
I don't know.
Mom,
Jesus.
why are you so
My life is flashing before my guys. Nick, seriously. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nick, seriously, not on the freeway. Oh my god. Nick, seriously. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm getting on.
I have to remind you, I was in 2 car accidents.
But I wasn't driving.
Oh my god. Don't do anything,
Please.
Nick. Don't do anything crazy, please.
Can I do something crazy?
Oh my god, Nick. Oh my god. Oh my god. No.
Mom,
No.
you can trust me.
Nick. Oh my god. Oh
You
my
trust
god.
me?
Oh my god.
Do you trust me?
I don't know.
I'm trying to convince her to let me do a donut, guys. She's never been in a car drifting in her life.
Ever.
And I'll do one donut and I'm gonna stop. I'm not gonna go, "Rah!" I'm not gonna go crazy. Only one circle, 360, and then I'm out. And we can leave because the cops could come.
Yeah. Okay. Just, oh my god! No! Ah! Oh my
I didn't
god!
even do
You almost gave me a heart attack. Oh Jesus!
What is that guy doing?
I don't know.
Looking at it?
Calling the cops on you.
And I hope not. Mom, it won't do
Oh
it.
my god!
Guys, how can I start spinning?
Oh my god! Ah! Nick!
It doesn't
Stupid!
drift. It doesn't drift.
Oh my god!
Okay, I'm done.
Okay.
It doesn't do it.
Oh Jesus! Oh my god!
Okay, it's not gonna do it.
Okay. Good. Thank you, Jesus.
It's literally just like, I don't know.
God's looking out for me.
I really want to do donuts with you in the car, Mom. Maybe it's not today,
No.
but I'm gonna do it with
It
you.
is definitely not today.
When I get my
Thank you,
BMW, Mom, I'm gonna do it. Watch.
Ah! Nick! Oh my god, Nick. The car in front of us is like so close, dude.
Oh, why are you guys so scared? This car's comfortable though, compared to my GT. These seats are like sofas.
Yeah,
They're
it's
big
nice.
as fuck
Right, it is
compared to my car. And smooth. Like, my car does not feel like this.
Actually, I haven't been in GTR in a really long time.
Should we let you drive it? We want to see that video, guys. Letting my mom drive my GTR. We've never done that. Ever on the channel. So, that might be kind of cool.
Not just ever on the channel. I've never driven your
No
GTR.
way you've never driven it,
I've
Mom.
never driven it. Nope, never.
Dad's driven it?
I know. Like, ah! Nick! Gosh!
Feels good.
No, it is not. Oh my god! Nick! Oh my god! And then look at this dummy. This brakes on. What the?
Isn't that sick how it spins?
No.
Yes, that's the fun part.
Nick. Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! There's a stop. Nick! Oh my god!
What?
Well, there was a fucking stop right
I know.
here.
I was good.
Oh my god! Ah! Nick! No! Nick! Oh my god!
This shit is fun.
Son, but not on these curvy streets. Oh my god, Nick! Seriously. Oh no! Please don't! No!
What, Mom?
Nick! Don't!
What, Mom?
Nick! Oh my god! Nick! Don't! No! Son! I know what you're gonna do. Don't do it! Nick! Nick! Oh my god!
Okay, we're done. We're home. It's not that scary.
It's so scary.
You sound like you're getting killed.
I'm sorry. It's scary.
It's fun. This shit is sick. I want
God.
one now.
Okay, no. Nick. Oh my god. Ah!
That was funny. No?
It's like hot. It's like hot in my...
Was it fun or no?
It was okay.
It's not bad, I told you.
It
It's,
was okay.
You were
The
way more scared.
GTR is way scarier. It
I know.
really is. The GTR is way...
What about that ZL1 that was like brum, brum, brum?
No, that sucker was scary.
It's just the noise in that car too.
It was. This is a very nice car, but it's still scary because you're driving so fast.
I know. Hopefully Juan doesn't get mad at me for trying to do donuts in this car. Don't get mad at me, Juan. Nah, it didn't work. I couldn't do it. I'm gonna have to do it with him. He'll do it. I should tell him. All right, guys. Well, that was pretty fun. Again, shout out to the homie Juan for letting me borrow his Hellcat. This thing is sick, dude. It's a wide body Charger, and I actually would consider buying one of these. These are sick. Depending on how this video does, maybe we can even bring a Hellcat to the channel, guys. As I've always wanted to, and I know that a lot of big YouTubers have Hellcats, so maybe it might be pretty good for content. I don't know. You guys comment down below. Would you guys want to see a Hellcat on the channel? Like I said, the Charger wide bodies, I would actually consider buying. They're sick. I would get it all black though, like everything blacked out, maybe satin black. But they're badass, especially when you put like a big ass slick on the back. I think Juan's gonna do some crazy stuff to this. I think he wants to do like a pulley and big ass slicks, but it's pretty sick, like Hellcat. think it's stock. I think it only has an exhaust on it, so it's pretty fast. For a stock car, this thing is crazy. But yeah, I knew my mom was gonna be scared, guys. She hates fast cars. As you guys can see, I can't even do a little pull because she gets so scared. We did the GTR video and the Lambo video. She was a little better, but between then and now, she actually got in 2 car accidents, like she said. So that's why she's pretty traumatized. And I probably shouldn't even be doing these videos with her because after being in 2 car accidents, I'm sure you're really scared of being a fast car. Shout out to my mom for being a good sport and making these videos for me. Also, the 350Z giveaway is now live on the website, shopfindingnick.com. Every sticker that you buy equals 1 entry to the giveaway. The stickers are selling fast, so go grab them right now. There's only 300 on the website, and once they're gone, and we're gonna pick the winner for the 350Z. Super excited. I cannot wait to see who wins the Z. And like I said, the day you guys pick up the Z, you guys will get to kick it with me and all the homies. We'll make a whole vlog out of it. We can go on like a little cruise or something with both cars. It's gonna be such a sick experience. I cannot wait. So go right now, shopfindingnick.com, enter the Z giveaway. All right, guys, now we're about to swap cars back with the homie Juan. Look who else pulled up, Jimmy in the Porsche. Hellcat the truck hogs, bro. I had to play that song in the Hellcat. Saw my homie on the freeway.
Yeah, bro, I raced him, bro. I got them.
He stole my GTR.
You stole it, dude. I told him I stole it. Hey, he called you. Someone stole your GTR. Huh?
He called me.
What did he say?
No, I was like, dude, I just raced your car.
He was like, who's driving your car, bro?
Bro, I was like, I stole it. He's like, what? I was like, I stole it. He's like, for a day.
It's so funny.
Yeah, bro, I was tripping out because I didn't recognize, I was like, who is that, dude? I was like, wait, is that not your car? But I was like, nah, dude, it's the wheels, the wing, the stars,
so
and the,
I thought he was like, oh, I seen you on TikTok because a whole bunch of, when I had my old GTR.
Yeah.
People recognize you all the time?
A lot of people be like, hey, I seen your TikToks.
And it was black, huh?
Yeah, it was the same thing, bro.
Like your mom's old GTR, guys. That's just sick.
Oh, it was loud, huh?
Yeah, it was
That
badass.
shit was so
I wish
loud.
we would have raced it, but now he has a Hellcat.
Hellcat's cool. I like it. It's comfortable. I want to get the stars.
Yeah, the stars are hard
The
on.
star.
Stars in the Hellcat would be
So when I'm with
fire.
the garage, I'd be like, hey, make a wish.
Look at the stars.
Wait.
Here your keys, boss.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Here,
I appreciate
got
it.
you, bro.
I almost gave my mom a heart attack in your car.
Oh, how was it? How was it? Hey,
She
you
was
too, bro.
scared, bro. She was about to cry.
This
I
shit
swear to
spins,
God.
huh?
It spins like crazy. That's what she was scared of, bro. Because it spun, and she got hella scared.
I want to put some V-locks on. That's for sure.
That would be fire. Some V-Lux.
V-locks.
You could put a fat ass tire on your own.
Yeah.
Should be
I
sick.
want to. And I like it because it's not too low either.
Yeah.
Kind of like scraped your car a little bit. But it's okay.
That's cool. I just get the shit all the time. Bro, I hit a semi-truck tire, and I'm surprised it didn't break.
You know what happened?
I don't know
when
how
had
the
my
fuck that
GTR?
happened.
I had a fucking bumper on the freeway.
Oh,
I was sleeping, bro. And there was a bumper in the middle of the freeway.
Sleeping?
And I'm like, I look, and I'm like, oh shit! Boom! My fucking whole thing came off.
Yeah, I don't know how this lip is still alive. I hit so much things on it, bro.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.